Hi my friends and welcome to this channel. So if you can look at the app title, you can see it's a webview file picker. So just like Chrome, when we click on some website, pick file button, it allows us to pick a file. It allows us to pick a file. So I made a sketchware app, and this website also I'm also the creator of the website for the purpose of testing. So what it practically does is it's a web view file picking support. So it allows a user that uses your so when a user of your web view application, your browser app wants to pick a file. So this application supports that file picking. So let's test this. So when I click on choose file on my web page or any web page, it automatically picks the file. Then we can upload the file. So you can see the download URL. This is the download URL. Let's see how file support picking in sketchware, how it works. So when we create an empty web view app rather, we enable our app components to be able to use the modern file picker support. Oh, this sketchware ran into error. Sorry for the delay. So then we add our web view because it's a web page. My web view name is webview1. We add the necessary imports. Then in our on create, we add this code in our on create. So if you want your web view, for instance, if you want your web browser to only support file for images, for only image you put image, for only video, you put video, for only zip file you write application slash zip. But since I'm picking any kind of file, that's why it's star slash star. So we must make sure this small block exists. We must ensure this small block exists. This small block. So we can build and run our app. Is how to run this project in Sketchware. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Sharing helps us to grow. As this is a free tutorial. How we can grow it by support by recommending us to others when others need to learn similar topics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.